Discover the future of design and visualization with Loom, the new image AI from Rhino Artisan. When you work on your models, the path from design to visualization becomes seamless. With just one click, you send them into Loom. You simply type, "Show this ring being worn on a woman's finger." And in seconds, the magic happens. A hyper-realistic render, bringing your creation into the real world. But this is just the beginning. You pick a cluster pendant, send it to Loom. You simply type, "Create a realistic rendering on a woman's bust, featuring rose gold, diamonds, and a ruby center stone." Instantly, a breathtaking render appears, with dazzling materials showcased on a woman's bust. Now let's go further. You select elegant pavé set earrings, send them to Loom and type, "Make a realistic rendering in white gold and diamonds of this earring, and place it on a woman's ear, with ultra-realistic diamonds." The result? Simply spectacular. Your models, as you've never seen them before. And the best part, Loom is not only for Rhino Artisan users. From Connect, our web platform, anyone can access the same rendering power. You open a project, drag and drop your image, simply describe what you want. Use white gold and make the stone ruby. Seconds later, your design comes to life with stunning realism. But there's even more. Type, "Create the top view and side view of that ring." And instantly, both requested renders appear with the precision you need. Finally, you return to the panther with ruby eyes. You type, "Can the panther look at me?" And suddenly, the panther turns its gaze directly to the camera. Loom, rendering reimagined. As easy as writing it, as real as dreaming it.